8 things to do immediately after a car accident. It doesn't matter who was at fault. At least not at the time when you're standing outside your car with its front busted to a point where you can't tell if it's your car anymore. And there's another busted vehicle in front of you. You might have survived the crash. But you may not yet be out of the woods. What you say or do next can be recorded and may be used against you in court. Although we wish you never get into a horrible car crash, it doesn't hurt to stay prepared. That said, here are 8 things you should do just after a car crash. Keep quiet. No, we're not saying that you shouldn't ask for help. By all means, do so if you need it. What we're saying is that you should avoid talking about the crash. You might be tempted to talk to people at the scene about what happened but resist that temptation. The last thing you want to do is incriminate yourself. Check for injuries if you've been hurt. Seek medical attention right away. And even if you don't think you've been injured, it's still a good idea to get checked out by a doctor. Sometimes, injuries from car accidents don't present themselves until days or weeks later. See if you can wait to visit a doctor till the cops arrive or need to rush right away. For example, if you have a head injury or are bleeding profusely, you must go to the hospital immediately. In that case, take photos and videos of the accident. Record a video of yourself explaining everything and mention the date and time of the accident as well. This might prove useful in court later. Contact your car accident lawyer. Most people don't know when to get an attorney for a car accident. We'd suggest the sooner, the better. This will give the attorney more time to work on your case. The lawyer will also know how to deal with the insurance company and other entities involved. Collect information while waiting for the police. Start collecting information about the other driver involved in the accident. Get their name, address, phone number, email address, and insurance information. You should also write down the car's make, model, and license plate number. Take pictures. Make sure you cover the entire scene. Include pictures of both cars, the license plates, and any visible injuries. These pictures might help your attorney build a strong case for you. Don't admit guilt. You should never do this. Even if you think the accident was your fault. If the police ask you what happened, just give them the facts. Don't try to offer an explanation or excuse for the accident. Call your insurance company even if you don't plan on filing a claim. You should still notify your insurance company about the accident. This is usually required according to your contract. Make sure you include these details as you notify them: the date, time, and location of the accident, the names, addresses, phone numbers, and insurance information of all the drivers involved, the make, model, and license plate numbers of all the cars involved, a police report number if one was filed, the names and contact information of any witnesses. Don't panic no matter how serious the accident was. Try to stay calm. This will help you think more clearly and communicate better with the police and insurance companies. Final word: we hope you never have to use these tips. But it's smart to be prepared. If you are involved in a car accident, make sure you follow the tips above to protect yourself. Reposted from sourceautomotiveaddicts.com.